How to use Capital One credit card. Now, if you want to use credit card on Capital One, let's say you have got a Capital One credit card, right? Maybe it's a platinum card, maybe it's a basic credit card, whatever type of card it is, you can actually use a Capital One credit card offline and online. So you can swipe, insert or tap it to pay for purchases and make withdrawals or even transfer balances. You can also use, if you have a virtual credit card, to shop online on e-commerce websites and use it as a normal payment method. You can find actually your card number, if you don't know, on the expiration date on the front of the card, and you can also find your 3-digit CVV security code on the back of the card. And you must also, by the way, understand your credit limit, which is the maximum amount that you can borrow using your credit card. And this is the way on how you can use a Capital One credit card. There isn't only one usage, there are multiple usages on how you can use it, and it is totally dependent upon the individual or you. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.